Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. Okay. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we have completed unit number 5 from our GK syllabus. Okay, and in today's session beta I am going to start with some questions for you. So I have framed some questions for you so that you are going to write in your GK notebook. So for that, okay, I have already told you during the online classes. So those students, those who were not in the class at that time, so this is for them. So you have to buy a new notebook to write all these questions of GK in your notebook. Okay, and that should be a one line notebook. No interleaf notebook will be nobody is going to use an interleaf notebook. That will be a simple वन लाइन नोटबुक, जैसे कि आप इंग्लिश और हिंदी के लिए यूज करते हो. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट विल बी सिंपल वन लाइन नोटबुक्स दैट यू आर गोइंग टू यूज फॉर जीके. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम क्वेश्चंस, जनरल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फ्रॉम द जीके. ओके, फ्रॉम द यूनिट 1 to 5 में से देखिए मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस निकाले हैं फ्रॉम द टॉपिक एंड वी विल एंड यू आर गोइंग टू राइट दीज क्वेश्चंस इन योर नोटबुक एंड यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इट एज वेल फॉर योर एग्जाम्स एंड फर्दर इवेल्युएशंस. क्लियर? चलिए, so here we will start with the question answers. Okay, so so first of all write down the date, okay, and then write the question answers. So we will start with the question answers. Clear? चलिए, so here starting with the question number 1. Okay, so the question number 1 is, who is known as the father of English poetry? देखिए आपने अभी हमने जो टॉपिक किया था, 5th यूनिट था हमारा लैंग्वेज लिटरेचर लेजेंड्स एंड मिथ्स, तो उसमें हमने पोएम और पोइट्री के वगैरह के बारे में पढ़ा था. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम देयर. सो हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश पोइट्री? दैट इज विलियम शेक्सपियर. तो देखिए विलियम शेक्सपियर है, उनको इंग्लिश पोइट्री का फादर माना जाता है. सो ही इज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट पोइट, इंग्लिश पोइट ऑफ ऑल टाइम्स. Okay, so that's why he is known as the father of English poetry. So write down the question number 1. Who is known as father capital, who is known as father of English poetry? Who is known as the father of English poetry? So the answer is, that is William Shakespeare. So write down the answer. That is William Shakespeare. Shakespeare. So William Shakespeare is known as the father of English poetry. तो इनको father of English poetry कहा जाता है. This is question number 1. चलिए, next question number 2 is, okay, who is the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Okay, who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize, to won a Nobel Prize? So that is Rabindranath Tagore. तो Rabindranath Tagore बेटा पहले भारतीय, not only Indian, he was the first Asian. सिर्फ इंडिया नहीं, मतलब पूरे एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में he was the first person who has been awarded with the Nobel Prize for his literature work, that is for his poetry, that is Gitanjali. Okay, for Gitanjali. So he is the first Indian as well as first Asian who has won the Nobel Prize. So who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize. So who is the first Indian, or who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? That is, it's one, not one. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? That is Rabindranath Tagore. So he is also the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize. That is Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize. Clear? So this is the question number 1 and 2. Okay, chaliye. So these are the first two questions. Who is known as the father of English poetry? That is William Shakespeare. And who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? That is Rabindranath Tagore. Chaliye. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is, what is the capital of Sri Lanka? What is the capital of Sri Lanka? So the capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. The capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. So Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Question number 3 is, ये देखिए सिटी का नाम है. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? What is the capital of Sri Lanka? So the answer is, that is Colombo. That is Colombo. Colombo. So Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Clear? Chaliye. Moving next to the question number 4. The fourth is, who was the first captain of India national फुटबॉल टीम? तो इंडिया की जो नेशनल फुटबॉल टीम है, देखिए इंडिया का जो फुटबॉल में जो नाम है, फुटबॉल जैसे क्रिकेट में हमारा नाम है, उससे कंपैरेटिवली फुटबॉल जो टीम है हमारी इंडिया की, दैट इज़ लेस फेमस. बट हमारी इंडिया की जो सबसे पहली नेशनल फुटबॉल टीम बनी थी, हु वॉज द कैप्टन ऑफ दैट इंडियन नेशनल फुटबॉल टीम? सो दैट वॉज घोषतापाल. That is, the answer is Ghoshtapal was the captain of the first Indian national football team. Okay. देखिए, who was the captain of who was the first captain? Sorry, who was the first captain of? Who was the first captain of India national football team? That is not be India, that will be Indian. Who was the first captain of Indian national football team? तो भारत की जो सबसे पहली नेशनल फुटबॉल टीम थी, उसके कैप्टन कौन थे? So was the first captain of Indian national football team? The answer is Ghoshtapal. That is Ghoshta, G-O-S-T-H-A. That is Goshtapal. Goshtapal was the captain of, so the first captain of Indian national football team. Clear? This is the answer of the fourth one. These are question number 3 and 4. Third is what is the capital of Sri Lanka? That is Colombo. And who was the first captain of the Indian national football team? The answer is Goshtapal. Clear? So you can pause it here and note down the questions in your notebook. Chaliye, let's move to the next question. That is question number 5. So now we are moving to the next question. That is question number 5. The question number 5 is, what is the full form of www? ओके, तो www की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? देखिए www जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, we use www for what? We use it while surfing on the internet. तो हम जब इंटरनेट पे सर्व करते हैं, we use this, that is www. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ www? अगर हमें कोई साइट खोलनी होती है, तो आपने अपने स्कूल की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट खोली, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? www.apsvaranasi.org. ओके, सो दिस इज द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ योर स्कूल. सो वैसे ही व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट www? सो दैट मीन्स वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. दिस इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ www, दैट इज वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. लिखिए, what is the full form of www? What is the full form of this? The answer is world, WORLD, that is world wide web. That is world wide web. The full form of www is world wide web. Clear? चलिए, moving next to the question number 6. The question number 6 is, which part of the computer is known as the brain of computer? Which part of the computer is known as the brain of computer? So that is CPU. तो देखिए, being your computer teacher, अगर हमने कंप्यूटर में, आपको याद है हमने जो टॉपिक किया था, ओके, सो अभी हमने सिस्टम यूनिट जो टॉपिक किया है कंप्यूटर में, तो देखिए उसी से क्वेश्चन निकल के आ गया. तो विच पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज नोन एज द ब्रेन ऑफ इट्स कंप्यूटर? दैट इज नोन एज, सो दैट इज CPU. क्योंकि जैसे हमारी बॉडी, वी ह्यूमन बींग्स, हमारी बॉडी को जितने भी फंक्शन है, दैट इज ऑल कंट्रोल्ड बाय आवर ब्रेन. सो वैसे ही कंप्यूटर के सारे फंक्शन CPU कंट्रोल करता है. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई इट इज नोन एज द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो लिखिए, विच पार्ट ऑफ कंप्यूटर, which part of computer is known as, which part of computer is known as brain of the computer? Which part of the computer is known as the brain of the computer? The answer is 6, central processing unit. That is central processing unit. That is known as CPU. So CPU is known as the brain of computer. Okay, so this is question number 5 and 6. Fifth is, what is the full form of www? That is World Wide Web. Which part of the computer is known as the brain of computer? That is central processing unit. Clear? So you can pause the video and note down these questions in your notebook. Chalo. Now let's move to the question number 7. Let's move to the question number 7. The question number 7 is, okay, so the question is, India's first satellite is named after आर्यभट्ट. ओके, तो हमारे जो इंडिया का सबसे पहला सैटेलाइट है वो किसके नाम के पीछे रखा गया था? सो दैट इज नेम्ड आफ्टर वन ऑफ द ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज आर्यभट्ट. सो इंडियाज फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट वाज नेम्ड आफ्टर अ ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज आर्यभट्ट. तो लिखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इंडियाज फर्स्ट satellite, India's first satellite was named after, किसके नाम पे रखा गया था? दैट इज आंसर नंबर 7, दैट इज आर्यभट्ट. दैट इज आर्यभट्ट. India's first satellite is named after Aryabhat. He is one of the great mathematician of India. चलिए next question number 8. The question number 8 is, when is Hindi Divas celebrated? When is Hindi Divas celebrated? तो देखिए हिंदी दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? So Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14th of September of every year. तो हिंदी दिवस, जैसे हिंदी इज आर नेशनल लैंग्वेज, सो इसीलिए एक हिंदी दिवस मनाया जाता है बेटा, जो कि मनाया जाता है 14 सितंबर को हर साल. ओके, तो इस दिन हिंदी दिवस मनाया जाता है ऑल ओवर इंडिया. सो व्हेन इज द हिंदी दिवस सेलिब्रेटेड? दैट इज September 14 every year. ओके, व्हेन इज हिंदी, when is Hindi Divas celebrated? Divas celebrated. When is Hindi Divas celebrated? The answer for the 8th one is September 14 every year. September 14 every year. So Hindi Divas is celebrated on September 14 every year. So note down question number 7 and 8 in your notebooks fast. Okay, so this is question number 7 and 8. चलिए let's move to the next question, that is question number 9. Okay, so let's move to the next question, that is question number 9. The question number 9 is, which is the largest country in the world area wise or based on the area? Which is the largest country in the world area wise? So which is the largest country in the world in the area wise? That is Russia. So जो रशिया बेटा वो दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी कंट्री है एरिया वाइज. तो एरिया वो बहुत ज़्यादा एरिया कवर करती है, उसका जो लैंड एरिया है covered by Russia is more than any other country. So that's why it is the largest country in the world area wise. तो लिखिए next question number 9, which is the largest country in the world based on area. Based on area. So which is the largest country in the world based on area? That is Russia. So the answer for the ninth one is Russia. RUSSIA. That is Russia. So which is the largest country in the world? That is Russia. चलिए question number 10. The question number 10 is study of insect is called. तो देखिए अगर कोई insects के बारे में study करता है, ओके देखिए जैसे जो बायोलॉजी है, तो बायोलॉजी इज अ सब्जेक्ट. देखिए साइंस बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, ठीक है. कोई आप पर्टिकुलर चीज़ की स्टडी करते हो, जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा, ठीक है. कई लोग हैं जो साइंस को मतलब अलग अलग पार्ट्स में डिवाइड, जैसे फिजिक्स में, केमिस्ट्री में, बायो में. इसके अलावा जो वो फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो है उसको भी फर्दर बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में, मतलब साइंस के इतने पार्ट्स हैं कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. तो वैसे ही अगर कोई इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में डिटेल स्टडी करता है, स्टडी ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स, that is known as what we call the study of insects, that is entomology. Study of insect is called entomology. वैसे study of animals is called zoology, study of plants is called botany. तो वैसे ही study of insects is called entomology. Question number 10. Study of insect is called, so study of insect is called, answer number 10, that is entomology. ENTOMOLOGY, that is entomology. Study of insect is called entomology. Clear? That is the 9th and the 10th one. Okay, so which is the largest country in the world based on area? That is Russia. Study of insect is called entomology. Clear? Chaliye, let's move to the next question. Question number 11. So you can pause the video and note down the answers and the questions and the answers in your notebook. Chaliye, so let's move to the next question, that is question number 11. The question number 11 is, the question number 11 is, what is the full form of news? What is the full form of news? So देखिए न्यूज़, हम न्यूज़ सुनते हैं, we listen to the news, हिंदी न्यूज़, इंग्लिश न्यूज़, various other languages news. So news in other languages. So what is the full form of that news? So that NEWS, that means north, east, west, south. The full form of news is north, east, west, south. The question is, what is the full form of news? NEWS. So what is the full form of news? The answer is north, east, west, south. North, east, west, south. So this is the full form of news. North, east, west, south. ओके, सो अभी तक आप देखो, अभी अगर आपको पता तो वेरी गुड, जिनको नहीं पता था पता लग गया होगा, आप डेली न्यूज़ सुनते हो, पढ़ते हो. सो व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म न्यूज़? दैट इज नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ. तो हर एक इनिशियल लेटर ऑफ ऑल द 4 डायरेक्शन, क्योंकि न्यूज़ में हम क्या सुनते हैं, इन द न्यूज़ वी लिसन टू ऑल द न्यूज़ में हमारे पास क्या होता है, हम जितनी भी खबरें होती हैं, जितनी भी न्यूज़ किसकी होती है, साथ पूरी दुनिया की न्यूज़, नॉट ओनली ऑफ आवर कंट्री बट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड की न्यूज़ हम सुनते हैं, ठीक है। सो नॉर्थ ईस्ट वेस्ट साउथ में चारों दिशाओं की सारी खबरें जो हमें मिलती है दैट इज नोन एज न्यूज़। द फुल फॉर्म इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट वेस्ट एंड साउथ। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। The question number 12 is when is World Heritage Day celebrated? When is World Heritage Day celebrated? So देखिए जितने भी हमारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स है, पुरानी हमारी इमारतें मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं, उनको सेव किया जाता है ताकि हमारी जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन है वो उसको देख सके। तो वैसे ही जितने भी हेरिटेज है, हमारी हेरिटेज मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं, सिटीज़ है, कुछ भी है, एनीथिंग दैट इज़ अ हेरिटेज दैट इज़ बीइंग सेव्ड, ओके। तो इसलिए उसको एक दिन सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है उसके लिए। सो व्हाट इज द ऑन विच डेट वी सेलिब्रेट वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे? सो द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 18th April, ओके। क्वेश्चन 12, व्हेन इज वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज When is World Heritage Day celebrated? When is World Heritage Day celebrated? The answer is 18th April. The answer is 18th April. So World Heritage Day is celebrated on 18th of April. Clear? So pause it here and note down these two questions as well in your notebooks. चलिए next we will move to the question number 13. So let's write next question, that is question number 13. Question number 13. Okay, question number 30 is river Nile flows through how many countries? So river Nile flows through how many countries? देखिए नाइल रिवर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड, ओके। तो चलिए इसके पहले दो क्वेश्चन बना लेते हैं इसके हम। विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड? विच इज द longest river in the world? दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी नदी कौन सी है? Which is the longest river in the world? So the longest river in the world is river Nile. लिखिए आंसर नंबर 13, that is river Nile. Which is the longest river in the world? That is river Nile. जो नाइल रिवर है that is the longest river in the world. Now अब हमारा क्वेश्चन है why it is known as the longest river in the world? Okay, because it flows through 10 different countries. देखिए दुनिया की सबसे लंबी नदी क्यों कहा जाता है इसको? क्योंकि ये 10 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से फ्लो होके बह के निकलती है। तो इसी से क्वेश्चन है नेक्स्ट हमारा, रिवर नाइल फ्लोज थ्रू हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज? क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, रिवर नाइल फ्लोज थ्रू how many countries? How many countries? River Nile flows through how many countries? So river Nile कितनी कंट्री से फ्लो होके निकलती है? The answer is 10 countries. The answer is 10 countries. तो 10 देशों से वो फ्लो होके निकलती है, उसका फ्लो तो बह के निकलती है। So the river Nile flows through 10 countries. So that's why it is termed as the longest river in the world. इसलिए इसको दुनिया की सबसे लंबी रिवर नदी कहा जाता है। ओके तो देखिए दो क्वेश्चंस इंटर रिलेटेड है। विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड? दैट इज रिवर नाइल। इजिप्ट से ओरिजिन होता है इसका बेटा। नेक्स्ट, रिवर नाइल फ्लोज थ्रू हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज? So it flows through 10 countries. So that's why it is known as the longest river in the world. So this is question number 13 and 14. You can pause the video and note it down in your notebooks. Sorry. Okay. So this was from our today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day and stay safe.